Hey, Yanni with S&E. So when you approach a large scope project, let's say you're doing a kitchen and a bathroom and the siding and a roof and a paint, and there's a lot of things that go into it. How do you stay on top of things and make sure that the productivity stays on a high level? So the number one answer to that is having a dedicated project manager, somebody that does all the coordination. And then you have to have a crew with a foreman. So you don't just send out a couple of installers and they just do what they do. You have somebody that actually manages them. You have to make sure that the materials are on site. So when the time the guys are here, they're not waiting for materials. Materials are waiting for them. So those are things that you do a lot during the planning stage. And you can also start choosing materials as you go. But you want to make sure that things are in the house, getting ready to install. They're not going to go to the store halfway through the day and get stuff, because that kills the productivity. One more aspect is the communication, making sure that you communicate with the customer, make sure that you know exactly what they want, and so there's no questions asked or what is this or what is that during the work. You want to solve as many of the questions before you start or as you go, but you don't want to have questions like to the end, or like, okay, what do we do now? Because then you have to stop, and once you have to stop and go, the whole flow of the project gets ruined, and then things take a lot longer than they should. One of the things that we do best is we come out, we tell you how long we think it's going to take, and then we set a schedule for picking things, set a dedicated project manager and a foreman, and there's also the production manager on top of that handles everything. Give us a call, we'll come out, we'll tell you exactly how we do things, what we think it's going to look like, or as far as timeline and how it's going to cost, and take it from there.